Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're over here in the Tractor Supply checking out their knife selection. Here we have the Work Sharp Station, the one that I picked up. They've got the add-on pack. That's a nice add-on pack. They've also got the combo knife sharpener. That one looks pretty cool. And then they've got the little pull through, got your guided field sharpener. Here we have some of the newer old timers, and down here, this is where I got that Buck Bourbon with the interchangeable blades. Those are a nice knife. Oh wow, they got a fixed blade on it. Check that one out. Yeah. Alright, got this nice Buck Bourbon little set right here. And you got all the old timers. Now you got a Cold Steel machete. Got a SOG machete. Gerber multi-tool. There's a Gerber Fuse or Fuss. Not sure which one that is. The Gerber Pledge. US1, the armbar drive. Then you got some Smith & Wessons. Got a case, Amber Bone Mini Trapper, case medium Stockman with the blue bone. Got the Saudi Junior. And then you've got the case Trapper with the yellow synthetic. And moving on to Kershaw's. And then the Crickets. The CRKTs. This is the neck knife that I truly do love. I tell you what, I love this guy. You got your Kydex sheath right there. This is a great knife right there. Beautiful knife. And then right next to the knives, you got your Yetis. 20% off your Yeti ice chest, if that's what you're looking for. And then you got your dry meals. All right there. Your meal preps, your knives, your ice chest. Got your survival right here at the Tractor Supply. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you guys go, pick out some items. See you on the next one. Peace.